Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve the question on sphere and hemisphere. So first I will take the sphere. Now question number 1 is, if the surface area of a sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume. Now solution for question number 1. That is, now in this we have been given the surface area of a sphere and we have to find out volume. So given surface area of sphere equals to 2826 centimeter square. Now we have to find out its volume. So with this surface area of a sphere, we can find out the radius and then we will go for finding out the volume of the sphere. So we know the formula for surface area of a sphere is surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Then the surface area is given to us, that is 2826 equals to 4 into 3.14 into r square. Now it is 2826 upon 4 into 3.14 equals to r square, or this can be written as 2826 into 100 upon 4 into 314 equals to r square. Now this 4 will cut to 100, that is 25, and 314 if we cut, then 1 ja and 9 ja. That means we will get 9 into 25 equals to r square, r no कुछ 225 equals to r square, therefore root 225 equals to r, 15 equals to, so radius we have got, that is 15. Now with this radius we will know the, we can calculate the volume. So volume of a sphere, volume of a sphere V will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now let me put the values, that is 4 by 3 into pi is 3.14 into r cube. R cube means 15 into 15 into 15. So 3 5 ja 15 So we can calculate it. Fifteen by just 75. 75 into 15. So 5 5 is 25. 5 7 is 35 plus 2. 5 5 is 25. 5 7 is 35 plus 2. 37. 1 5 is 1. 5 1 is 5. 7 1 is 7. So 5. 7 plus 5 12. 7 3 10 plus 1 11 25 into 4. So this will be 7 4 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8 plus 2. 4 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8 plus 2. 10. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5 and 4 1 is 4. This is 4500. Again it will be multiplied with 3.14 into 3.14. So this comes out to be 400, 400, 4 5 is 20, 4 5 is 20, 4 4 is 16 plus 2 18. Then 1 0, then again 0, 5 1 is 5, 4 1 is 4. 300, 300, 3 into 5 15, 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. Now we will add it. 0 0 0, 8 5 13, 4 1 5, 5 5 plus 4 1 5, 5 10 plus 1 carry जो था that is 1. 3 plus 1 4 and 1. 0.12. So after multiplying we are getting the volume of the sphere will be 14,130 centimeter cube. So this will be our answer. That is, the volume of the cube will be 14,130 centimeter cube is the answer. Answer is 14,130 centimeter cube. Now I will go to solve the question number 2. The question number 2 is on hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. So we say it is a hemisphere. Solution for question number 2. The volume of a hemisphere is 18,000 pi centimeter cube. Find its diameter. So volume is given to us. That is volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere is 18,000 pi. Volume of hemisphere is 18,000 pi. We have to find out the diameters. So diameter of hemisphere is to be find out. Now we will use the formula, that is volume of hemisphere will be the half of the volume of sphere. So in this case, volume of hemisphere, the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now volume of hemisphere is given to us is 18,000 pi equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now since pi is on both the sides, it will cancel. Pi is on both the sides, so it will be cancelled. So we will get 18,000 into 3 equals to 2r cube, or this will be 18,000 into 3 upon 2 equals to r cube. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. So now we are getting 27,000 equals to r cube. That means cube root of this, we will give the radius. Cube root of 27,000, we will give the radius. So 20,000 means 20, the cube root 27 means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 27. So cube root of, and so this will be equals to 30, that is r equals to 30. Now we have to find out the diameter. So diameter will become diameter equals to 2 into r, that is 2 into 30, and that is 2 into 30 means 60 centimeter cube. This will be 60 centimeter. So diameter is 60 centimeter cube. So answer is 60 centimeter. That is D equals to 60 centimeter. In this way, we can solve the questions by applying the formula for sphere and hemisphere. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it. Thank you.